brown bear, what do you see?
I see a bird.
Red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see?
I see a cat.
Yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see?
I see a good.
Blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see?
I see a cover.
Green frog. Frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see?
Cat.
Purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see?
A cat.
White dog looking at me.
A cat. I see
What is it? One, two. I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see?
I see a
Goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me.
Good job, William.
No. No, we're gonna get down.
My fault.
Teacher, what do you see? He's just like, children, bye. Good job.